Hello, and welcome to the BMC Quick Course Series. My name is Josh Haber, and I am a developer based in Houston, Texas. In this session, I'll show you an enhancement in how to display the MAXM Database Advisor exceptions. MAXM Database Advisor provides over 80 different exceptions to alert you to conditions involving space and performance issues, recovery conditions, change of queue and database dataset groups, and recon issues. In version 2.5 and later, you can filter which exceptions are displayed. When you display exceptions in version 2.5 and later, you will see this window. By default, you are able to filter. Use the filter to select which severity level to display. Choose Warning to get all warning, critical, and dead exceptions. Pick Critical to get all critical and all dead exceptions, and pick Dead to get all dead exceptions. Choose the type of object for which you want to see exceptions. For example, if you want to see only the exceptions related to the recon datasets, check Specific and Recon Datasets. You can further narrow the results by choosing specific exception types. Space and Performance includes all space exceptions. All Recovery includes change of queue, database dataset groups, recovery conditions, and recovery assets. Once you get into the exception list display, you can click on Help and several subsequent links to see which specific exceptions belong to the various choices. Check Show Filter dialog initially if you always want to see this dialog before any exception display. Check Save Filter Selections for future sessions if you want MAXM Database Advisor to remember your selections. If you don't check this box, all selections will be reset to the defaults. Here is an example of an exception list using exception filtering. This particular list includes exceptions from databases and change of queues. To see more details about an exception, just select it from this list and it will display in the window below. This is the same exception list, but we have also included filtering. In this particular example, the list of exceptions is limited to full function databases only, of any severity level. Not only can you display exceptions in the graphical user interface, but you can also generate a batch report to a flat file. The batch exception list offers more filtering options than the graphical user interface. To generate the batch report, run DLI ABXPL from CPC batch and include the EXCEP LST keyword. In Database Advisor 2.5 and later, you can use these keywords in the batch exception report. Use Split Report to separate the reports based on different object types, such as database, recon, logs, and change of queues. Use NewX to see only the exceptions that have occurred since you last ran the exception report. Use Exception ID, EXCID, to see exceptions by a specific exception ID. And finally, use SevLevel to filter exceptions by severity level. This includes warning, critical, and dead. Here is an example of a batch exception list report. It shows the threshold and the status of each exception. Use this information to determine how to deal with exceptions. Notice the header also shows what filtering criteria was selected. Thank you for listening to this presentation. For more information on any BMC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown above. Once again, thank you for your time.